Welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can open a new image on Photoshop. So for that you have to open Photoshop, and when you open Photoshop you will find the open option here, or you can find the drag and drop image option, or select one from your computer option. You can drag and drop items here like photos, or you can simply click on open and select on your computer and select the file you want to open. So your file photo will be opened. If you want to open another photo or image while you are working on something, you can click on file and click on open again and open that photo as well. It will be added as another document in this document panel. For opening files, you can use the shortcut Ctrl+O as well. That's all for today. If you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe, and also thank you very much for watching this video.